Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to guide you through the exact steps to safely and correctly add the official Internet Download Manager, IDM, extension to your Chrome browser. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to avoid fake extensions, use the trusted source, and make sure your IDM works seamlessly with Chrome. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to copy the specific link that I've provided down below in the video description. This is really important. Don't try searching for IDM extension in the Chrome Web Store because any result you'll see there is actually a fake. I know that can sound a bit strange, but IDM themselves have hidden their official extension from regular search to protect users like you from getting the wrong thing or encountering malware. So, trust me on this and stick with the direct link. Once you've copied that official link, go ahead and paste it into your Chrome browser's address bar. It only takes a second, but this little step is key for ensuring you land on the right page and not some lookalike trying to scam you. Hit enter, and you'll be taken right to the official IDM integration module extension on the Chrome Web Store. Now, let's pause for a moment. Just to clarify, the IDM extension should actually install automatically when you set up Internet Download Manager itself. But if for any reason it didn't, or you want to double check, using this direct link guarantees you'll get the authentic extension. It's kind of like being handed a VIP entrance to a concert. You're skipping all the risky side doors and going straight in. At this point, you should see the IDM integration module listed on the Chrome Web Store. Take a look at the details. You might notice the publisher is Tonek Inc. That's IDM's developer, so it's a good sign you're in the right spot. Now simply click the Add to Chrome button. Chrome might ask for confirmation or pop up with a little dialog explaining what the extension will do. This is perfectly normal. The extension basically helps IDM grab download links directly from your browser, so you don't have to mess around with complicated copy and paste jobs. Just confirm the installation. Wait for Chrome to finish adding the extension. It might take just a few seconds depending on your connection, but don't worry if there's a moment's delay. Once it's added, you'll usually see the IDM icon in your browser, possibly up near the top right. If you don't, you can check your extensions list by clicking on the puzzle piece icon and making sure IDM integration module is there. That's all there is to it. Now you've got the official IDM extension installed, and you're ready to download all kinds of videos, music, or other files directly from Chrome with just a click. You're protected from fake extensions, and everything should work smoothly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and drop a comment if you run into any issues, or just let me know how IDM is working for you. And hey, if you want more guides like this, make sure to subscribe so you never miss out on the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.